Hi everyone, it's Tammy with Wings of Love Treasures, back with another video. So today we're going to be doing some sterling. I've been asked to do sterling and I wanted to get a video out because there's quite a few people who want to buy some. So I think rings too, but I'm doing a little bit of everything. What I'm going to do is these are going to be short, and if you see anything you like, just tell me what butterfly number. They're all numbered. What butterfly number you want, and if it's a ring, necklace, earrings, whatever. And I'll give you a price for it, okay? So I'm going to probably try to do these every other week. I have a lot of sterling. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm upstairs right now. I'm in my jewelry room and my nail room, which used to be my daughter's room. Usually I do my videos downstairs in the dining room, but I'm going to do my sterling up here in the bedroom, okay? My jewelry room. All right, this is a sterling silver mother of pearl ring. All right, and let's see what size it is. It is a 7. Okay, very pretty. All right, it's plain on the back, and then it has the lines on the side with the mother of pearl. All right. And then we have a little kitty ring, sterling silver. Little cat with his tail. He's got green eyes. Hope y'all can see him. Might be better if let's see. There. Okay, green eyes. And he's got a little collar on. Let's see what size he is. He's a 7. Okay, you could make him smaller because his tail and his head are not attached. So you could make him smaller. All right. Oh, and he's butterfly 2. Okay. Number 2 is the cat. Number 1 was the mother of pearl, sterling mother of pearl. Okay. All right. Then we have number 3. Number 3. And number 3 is a sterling bracelet. Okay. Balls. A ball bracelet. But it is sterling. And I'll tell you what size it is. I did remember to bring my ruler. So I tried to get everything I needed up here so I would have everything so I could measure. It's a 7. Okay, so this one's a 7. Sterling ball bracelet. All right. And then this one is a number 4 butterfly. My grandkids made these. They colored them all for me. Okay, and this one is a CZ sterling silver on a beautiful sterling silver chain. And I believe this one, yeah, this is a Silpata. Okay, Silpata, pretty chain. I could put a different chain on it if you need me to. And I could put a longer chain on it. So let's see what size this one is. This is 20. This is a 20-inch chain. So if you needed a shorter or longer one, I could do that. But that's a Silpata on number 4. Okay, number 5. Here's number 5. And it's a pair of earrings. Sterling silver earrings. Now, I don't clean them unless you ask me to, because a lot of people like the patina. But if you want them cleaned, I could clean them and make them shiny. Okay? So, sterling silver. Here's the back. Here's the back of the other one. Okay. Very pretty earrings. Okay, this is a number 6. number 6. And this is a turquoise pendant. Okay, sterling turquoise with a beautiful chain. This chain is just beautiful. It says Lyric, which I know it's sterling. Let's see. Yeah, it's sterling. It says it right there. It just has the name of the maker on it. But it's a beautiful chain. The pendant is gorgeous. Here's the back. And the pendant with the bail is 2.5 inches long. And then the chain is 18. So the chain is 18. Okay, and the pendant's 2.5 inches. And that's number 6. Number 7, and here's number 7. Okay, number 7 is a ring, a band ring, and it has a flat bottom. And I wanted to see, yeah, this one's not marked, but it is sterling. They may have, it looks like it's been sized right here. So when they sized it, they may have taken out the marking, which I wish they wouldn't do that. But I guess, you know, they don't really have a choice. I wish they would remark it, though. So, yeah. Let's see what size this one is. This one is a 7. All right, beautiful. And it's heavy sterling. It's a solid piece. Yeah. All right, then we have number 8. Pretty number 8 butterfly. And these are sterling cat and mouse earrings. Yeah, little cat and little mouse on both of them. I thought they were so cute. So those are sterling. And I think these are marked on the back, 925. Yes, right there. Okay. So very pretty. Then we have number 9. That was probably my 2-year-old granddaughter. And these are earrings. I love these earrings. Oh. Okay. Swirlies with hammered circles. And they dangle. Okay. And they have not been cleaned either. Like I said, I don't clean them until somebody asks me to. Because, like, I like patina, so I would never clean these. But some people like them very shiny. And so I would clean them if you needed it. This one is a Zapata, and it is sterling, and this one's Israel. Okay? Israel Zapata. And then I have number 10. Look at him. This one is liquid silver necklace, and I believe it's a 5-strand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 5-strand necklace. And it's got a shepherd's hook. And it's sterling. Okay. All right. Beautiful. And let me see how long this one is. I'm not sure. Yeah, this one's 20. This one's 20 inches long. Okay. All right. So that one was number 10. And I'm just doing 11 in each of these little things I'm doing. I have a lot of Zapata necklaces over here to the left that I will be getting to, and a lot more rings. Okay. This one is a turquoise cuff, sterling silver cuff. And this one is marked sterling JS. This is a Native American piece. I believe these earrings are too. These are also Native American, okay? And then the Zapatas, but beautiful bracelet. Yeah. Okay. And that is number 11. Okay. And that's all for today. Like I said, I'll do another video, maybe next week, week after, and we'll have some new stuff. All right? Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you do like something, just let me know what number butterfly you like, and I'll give you a price. Okay, bye, guys. Have a great day. Mwah!